Thank you.
Tên này nơi sợ bữa á.
For people as well, the relationship. That one is Maria, our big girl.
Oh, the mom.
Yeah, the mom. Right now she's gonna worry about him. Where do you go? She got. Yeah.
Were these rescued together?
Now we rescue Lucky with Grand. Yeah. Yeah, she's gonna do a sexy dance for you. Yes. So right now I think Hong, our sexy lady, she got like someone, yeah, gonna like have the sexy lady, the second sexy lady here. Elephant did not play too long in the mud bath, around like 5 minutes up to 10 minutes per one time, to make sure that the mud go over their body already. And then they're gonna leave and eat the food again. Yeah, that's the way that can help them, not the play take a long time. Because after this, elephant they need like to take a shower. Yeah, they take a shower around like 3 times per day. Yeah, to help them clean their body and help them cooling them down the other way. And do you think elephant that drink some dirty water like that in the mud bath? Do you think? No, no. Yeah, just drink like the clean water. So right here in our jungle, we don't have the big river for them. That means we prepared the big tank for them at the camp. They need to get back to eat, to drink the water. Oh, the way that they can eat some coconut. Fighting. You can do it, girl. Yeah. I think it's 1 or 2 water. Oh,
There you go.
good.
You want to get massage?
Do you want to get elephant massage here?
It's a good idea, try.
Yeah.
Oh, who say yes?
Yeah. Only want some? Yeah, so when they break already, they will try to use the trunk like to open it. You can do it.
Now she made a coconut milk for you.
Yeah, finally.
You want some? You can ask her. Maybe you can find a picture. She will give you some.
And right now, maybe you cannot see, but the end of the trunk of the elephant. For Asian elephant, we got like a 1 finger, small 1 finger. It's very important to grab the thing, grab the food. Even that got like small, like the ball, a small ball, they can use that finger to grab at least. So that's why right now she can like screw, yeah, the white meat inside to eat. Easy way to do.